Solo leisure. Most convenient location opposite Kyoto Station. Multiple eateries nearby. Shopping just a few stops away. Room and amenities are clean and impeccable. Love the bed and bath. Staff is so good. Fantastic location. Right across the road from Kyoto Station, or can use the underground walkway and don't even need to go outside, helpful if it's raining outside. Easy access to train station and bus stops. Highly recommend. Exceptional good location, near station. Clean room and bathroom. Recommended. Comfortable stay. It's really convenient to Kyoto Station, about 5 minutes walk, and there are shops around. There are lots of complimentary amenities at the lobby. The room was clean and spacious. There are convenience stores nearby and even Donkey, 100 yen shop and a supermarket. Very convenient for food or light bites at night. Quite convenient to head to Gion district as there are direct buses around, otherwise the trains at Kyoto Station would bring you to Arashiyama or Fushimi Inari. Highly recommend this hotel. I don't have enough good things to say about this place. They provide top-tier Japanese skincare, the staff was always pleasant and super helpful, and I have nothing but good things to say about this place. Would highly recommend. Fantastic hotel. Hotel location was extremely convenient, just a short walk from Kyoto Station. There is even an underground walkway connected straight to the basement of the hotel. Room we stayed in was surprisingly spacious, and the toilet was clean and large too. Amenities provided were amazing as well, from the usual toothbrush toothpastes, to lotions and creams from reputable brands. Would definitely go back to this hotel if I am in Kyoto. Daiwa Roynet Kyoto ekimae experience. Stayed for 3 days 2 nights in this hotel. Room was spacious compared to other hotels I've tried in Japan. Few steps away from Kyoto Tower and Kyoto Station. Offers complete room amenities. Great location. Linked to the underground, link to junior train and subways, and beside a huge shopping complex with a great selection of food. Highly recommend and will likely stay here again the next time we go Kyoto. Exceptional 2-1.